If you want a free VPN built right into your browser, Opera makes it really easy to turn on. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the free VPN from Opera browser, how to enable it, and how to know when it's working properly. This is a great option if you want a simple privacy boost while browsing and you don't want to install a separate VPN app. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. When you first install Opera, the VPN feature is usually turned off by default, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. To start, you need to go into Opera's settings. You can do that by clicking the Opera menu and opening Settings, or by using the Settings page directly if you already know where it is. Once you're in Settings, look for the VPN section. In that area, you should see a toggle labeled Enable VPN. This is the master switch for Opera's built-in VPN feature. Turn that setting on. As soon as you enable it, Opera will activate the VPN option in the browser interface and reveal the shortcut badge in the address bar. Now look near the top of the browser where the VPN badge appears. Click that VPN badge to open the drop-down menu. Inside that menu, you'll see a large power button. Click that power button to turn the VPN on. After that, the badge should change color, usually to blue, although depending on your theme it may appear orange or purple. That color change tells you the VPN is active and your connection is now being encrypted through Opera's built-in VPN. If you want, you can use the drop-down to check your location settings or connection status as well. This is useful if you want to make sure the VPN is enabled before you browse, sign into websites, or test region-based content. And because it's built into Opera, you don't need to download a separate extension just to get started. If the VPN badge doesn't show up immediately, go back and confirm that Enable VPN is turned on in the settings. In most cases, the badge only appears after that master setting is switched on. So the main steps are simple. Open Opera, go to Settings, select VPN, toggle on Enable VPN, then click the VPN badge and press the power button inside the dropdown. And that's it, you've successfully turned on the free VPN in Opera browser. Now you know how to activate it, where to find it, and how to confirm it's working. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.